Honorable President of the Constitutional Court of the Republic of Turkey, Honorable members of the delegation of the Constitutional Court of Turkey, Honorable Chief Justice of the Federal Constitutional Court, fellow judges of the Supreme Court and the Federal Constitutional Court, Honorable Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Azad Jammu Kashmir, Honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts, Honorable Federal Minister for Law and Justice, the Attorney General of Pakistan, esteemed judicial officers, members of the legal fraternity, distinguished dignitaries, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed both an honor and a privilege to welcome His Excellency Mr. Kadir Ozkaya and his distinguished delegation from the Constitutional Court of the Republic of Turkey. Your visit is a reflection of the enduring, historic, fraternal relationship between Pakistan and Turkey, one that transcends formal diplomacy and is rooted in shared history, mutual respect, and common values. The Memorandum of Understanding being signed today marks a significant step forward for our respective judiciaries. It is not simply a document of cooperation between courts. It represents our shared vision and resolve to strengthen constitutional governance, uphold the rule of law, ensure judicial independence, and protect fundamental rights. Let me share with you that we embarked upon this journey in April of 2025, when, on the gracious invitation of my brother, His Excellency the President, I had the privilege of attending the 63rd anniversary of the Constitutional Court of Republic of Turkey at Istanbul. In addition to the warmth and generosity shown by our brothers in Turkey, I was deeply impressed by the advanced technological integration within the Turkish judicial system, which proved both instructive and inspiring. Before we entered into the terms of this MoU, let me share with you that I would request my brother that, sir, I need some experts on artificial intelligence, which I had heard in Istanbul, for a symposium in Pakistan. And surely my brother would arrange those two experts on artificial intelligence, and they attended our symposium through video link. I said, sir, my brother, I need my IT department, information technology department, to visit Turkey to see how you have developed it. My brother arranged for them to visit Turkey. I said, my brother, I want my judicial officers to come to Turkey and see how your courts are functioning. He arranged for my judicial officers from the district judiciary to visit Turkey. Now, all this happened before entering into the terms of the MoU. Your Excellency, you're not only the President of the Constitutional Court of the Republic of Turkey, you are our brother. And we treasure I just wanted to convey that. Now I'll continue reading the. I would also like to acknowledge with particular appreciation the consistent support and facilitation extended by His Excellency the Ambassador, Dr. Irfan, whose efforts have been instrumental in nurturing and advancing this collaboration. Thank you, my brother. Now to the MoU. The MoU we are signing today provides a forward-looking framework for collaboration between the two judiciaries, the judiciary of Pakistan and the judiciary of the Republic of Turkey. One that emphasizes the exchange of judicial knowledge and best practices, the promotion of comparative constitutional jurisprudence, the strengthening of institutional linkages, and above all, and most importantly, the advancement of capacity building through joint programs, research, and judicial exchanges. In an increasingly interconnected world, judicial institutions do not function in isolation. Common challenges such as rapid technological change, evolving understanding of rights, and complex constitutional questions require us to engage in global judicial conversation. It is through such engagements and cooperation that courts learn from each other and strengthen their collective capacity to deliver justice. I am particularly encouraged by the provision in this MoU for establishment of joint working group. I have discussed with my brother before we came, and we have discussed the names, and inshallah ta'ala we will have a consolidated working group which will have judges from the Federal Constitutional Court and the Supreme Court of Pakistan, and we will make sure that the MoU progresses constructively. Now, this will ensure that our cooperation remains active, structured, and focused on tangible outcomes rather than remaining symbolic. Pakistan and Turkey, while distinct in their constitutional journeys, share a commitment to domestic values and the supremacy of the Constitution. Our courts have played and continue to play a vital role in safeguarding these principles, and there is much we can gain from each other's experience and innovations. Your Excellency, your presence here today is a testament to the strength of our bilateral relations and the importance we attach to judicial dialogue at the international level. I am confident that the MoU will pave the way for deeper understanding, meaningful exchanges, and a lasting partnership between our two judiciaries. Inshallah. As we move ahead, I hope that the collaboration will not only strengthen our institutions, but also contribute in a modest way to the broader prospect of justice that is fair, accessible, and firmly grounded in the rule of law. Once again, we wholeheartedly welcome you and your delegation to Pakistan and wish you a productive and memorable stay. Pakistan Zindabad, Turkiye Payandabad. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor, for your insightful and valuable remarks.